Welcome to nGEn Group, a decade-old company celebrating 10 years of customer service. nGEn Group is a one-stop solution provider of comprehensive engineering solutions. nGEn Group comprises of 3 companies: nGEn Automation, nGEn Control System, and nGEn Training Center. One of our group companies, nGEn Automation, is an ISO-certified group company. It is a sole distributor of NASS MAGNET Germany, armatures, solenoid coils, and deep connectors, covering India and SAARC countries. It serves as a specialty distributor of SKF for their Mechatronics products like linear rail, guides, roller guides, linear bearings, ball screw, roll screw, and telescopic pillar actuators. One of our other group companies, nGEn Control System, is a leading integrator for Parker Hannifin's Electro-Mechanical product range like HMI, SCADA software, PLC motion, and CNC controller, servo and stepper motor and drives, direct drive servo motor, torque motor, linear motors, belt-driven actuators, servo press and gantry robots, and hydraulic forward pack. nGEn Control System has a sprawling 10,000 square feet manufacturing unit for all types of conveyors like flat belt conveyors, plastic link, roller screw, Z-type, bucket elevator, wire mesh, pallet, and people moving conveyors and material handling systems. Also, the latest undertaking of nGEn Control Systems is with Maytech, which has an extremely strong, efficient, and functional universal connectors and aluminium profiles. It also deals in the Internet of Things, which is the internet working of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items like electronic software, mechanical and electrical sensors, and network connectivity that enables these objects to collect, analyze, and exchange data. nGEn Training Center is one of our group companies which provides customized and latest vocational training in mechatronics and industrial automation to corporates and technical graduates. nGEn Training Center is CGSC and MSSDS VTP affiliated for PMKVYA under Skill India for skill development. nGEn's journey since its inception in 2007. Mr. Nilesh Navekar, CEO and founder of nGEn Group, has laid the foundation of the group in the January 2007 with nGEn Automation. Year 2009, nGEn was only 2 years old, had already served around more than 100 satisfied customers. In the year 2010, nGEn did an automation project for Boeing. In the year 2011, SKF chose nGEn Automation as a specialty distributor of SKF Mechatronics product range. By the year 2012, nGEn Control System achieved a Merit Award from Parker for its consistent growth. Our group added one more feather in our cap in the year 2013 with Mechatronics Training Center. In the year 2014, nGEn Automation achieved 100% growth for armatures. nGEn Automation achieved 100% growth for SKF and NASS Magnet business in year 2015. In the year 2016, our group laid down its roots in Gujarat region by setting up a branch office in Ahmedabad. Also, our training center got CGSC and MSSDS VTP affiliation for PMKVYA under Skill India for skill development in the year 2016. In the year 2017, our group has celebrated its 10 years of prosperous and successful journey with establishing our manufacturing unit for conveyors and material handling systems. nGEn Automation got awarded from SKF as highest growth in sales for mechatronics product range. Thus, our group's glorious past which keeps on motivating us towards dazzling future. Our vision is to be leading solution provider for the comprehensive mechatronics and automation requirements for our customers, to achieve excellent customer service and profitable growth, well supported by our highly motivated team. CSR activities. As without a sense of caring, there can be no sense of community. So it's our responsibility to do the best we can do to change the things which will lead us towards a better tomorrow and a better India.